So as a veterinarian, I understand the important role that pets play in people's lives, and so I also understand why COVID-19 is causing concern among pet owners as they start to wonder, can I get my pet sick or can my pet make me sick? So the good news is that there have been no reports, despite the widespread disease in the human population, there have been no reports of pets becoming ill with COVID-19. Also, there's no evidence to suggest that our pets can give us or transmit this disease to us. So it's perfectly safe for all of you at home to keep your pets, cuddle with them, have them on your lap, and spend this extra time that you have at home practicing important social distancing measures. Use this time to walk your dog, go outside, take a hike in nature, or spend that extra time with your cat in your lap. So there is a potential risk that we can contaminate our pets if we become sick with COVID-19. Now, this doesn't mean that they become infected, but just like any other surface, if pets are in close contact with a person who's sick, it might be that the virus could be on their fur or on the surface of their body. And so this is why the CDC recommends for anyone infected with COVID-19 that they practice isolation from their pets, just like they would any other household member. So this means no petting, no kissing, no sharing food with your pet if you are infected, and finding someone else to take care of that pet for you. Now, we understand that there are going to be certain situations where you have to take care of the pet if you are sick, and that's fine. There are certain precautions you can take. So those would be washing your hands before and after caring for your pet, as well as potentially wearing a face mask when you're around your pet. So since most of us are not infected with COVID-19, but we are practicing social distancing, there are still some important things you can do to keep your pet safe and healthy during this time. The first is preparing for them just like you prepare for yourself. So making sure you have extra dog food or extra cat food on hand in the event that there's an extended period of time that you can't leave your house. Also, you want to make sure that any medications your pets have are refilled in a timely manner through your veterinarian. And speaking of veterinarians, we recognize that veterinary services are essential services in this time, and so many veterinary hospitals still remain open. It's important that if you have an appointment or need to make an appointment for your pet, that you call in advance to determine if there's any special precautions or measures that your veterinarian is going to ask you to take when you come in for that appointment. It's important that you follow these recommendations from your veterinarian because they're trying to keep their staff and themselves safe during this outbreak as well. So again, we recognize that this is a stressful time for all of us, and all of us are having to make big life changes. But it's important to remember that pets are a great source of anxiety relief. So again, taking your dog out for a walk is going to help you and the dog and your mental health. Spending extra time with your cat on the couch, giving them extra love, those things are going to be helpful for your mental health and to help reduce anxiety during this time. Also keep in mind that if anything changes around recommendations for pets and COVID-19, that this information is going to be shared widely through the CDC website or through your state Department of Public Health. So stay safe and love your pets.